The main reason why you think that your small account size cannot do you anything in the financial market is due to comparison. You are comparing too much, bro. Okay. You are comparing. It's unnecessary. I'm telling you. Comparing your account size to mine, it doesn't make sense.
One ultimate problem of every beginner trader or a startup trader is capital. Are you thinking of starting forex trading, but wondering how much you actually needed in order to kick things off? Let's break down this topic. I'm Mark Abraham, and this is the Global Forex Movement. With me in the studio is one of our very own brother who is also in the industry for a while now. Today, we are diving into the topic, how much does one actually need in order to trade Forex? This is one of the topic of concern to beginner traders, which has to do with capital. The question of how much do I actually need it in order to start trading Forex. So I decided let's bring this topic on board so that we can break it down for those to whom it may concern to get an idea from the whole concept. So do we actually need big money before we can start Forex trading?
Okay, so it depends on the broker too. Some take $10 as minimum deposit.
Okay.
Some take $100 as their minimum deposit, and some also take $200 as their minimum deposit. So you can trade with any amount of money depending on the broker.
If I should draw a conclusion from what you just said, I would say that beginner traders or startup traders are asking the wrong question.
Yeah.
Like the question which has to do with how much do I need to start trading?
Yeah.
It should rather be how much are you willing to start with? The broker is aware that not everybody will have $10,000 to invest in trading. So that's why they give a range from minimum to the highest. So that whichever one your capacity can fit in, then you can also leap on that one and still be able to trade. Thank goodness you have what we call leverage. And with leverage, you can find a $10 account and leverage will boost that capital and you can still be able to trade in the financial markets.
Yeah, surely.
Let's be real here. There are some of the mentors or gurus that discourages upcoming traders that $10 you're investing cannot do anything for you.
It's a lie. That $10 can do something. Having a $10 account, even you can make $2 on it, it is still money. With your $10 account size and still making $2, that is still money. It doesn't matter with the large sum of money you have in your account.
But do you think there's a reason why they say what they say?
Oh, maybe they think that with that $10 you cannot make money and buy car with it, or maybe build a house with it.
Okay.
But it's a lie. $10 most of the time you can still buy your car. It doesn't make sense in a way though, but with time, not quick, but with time. You can still buy your car.
You can start surviving.
You can start surviving
for the time being.
You can start surviving, and then with time get money to buy your car. It's possible. I'm telling you, it's possible.
Okay.
Because taking $20 to $40, it's possible. 40 to 60 is possible. 60 to 100 is possible. 100 to 120 is possible. Then 100 to 200, 300. With time is possible. So a car can be worth maybe $8,000. So with time, if it's $100 now capital, with time getting to $8,000, buying your car, it's still possible. So it doesn't mean at all costs you have to get a huge sum of money in your trading account before you can trade. No, you can start from somewhere and take it small,
and
step by step.
Up. Yeah. First of all, you have to have the skill.
Yeah.
Before you can be able to grow or mix anything significant out of that $10.
Yeah, surely.
I think one of the reasons why they also say what they see is because they know that as a new beginner trader, you don't have the skill set as you ought to have it here. That will make you grow that $10 to any significant amount in your trading account. The question should still be based on how much I am willing to start with.
Yeah.
Cutting your quote according to your size.
Yeah.
Somebody has $100 or let's say $1,000 and that person can invest and still not feel anything.
One thing that many people forget is that all hands are not equal.
Yeah.
Your account size might be different from mine. your risk appetite might be different from mine. So me starting with $100, that is what I cannot afford. So having $100 account and making, let's say, $5 a day in a week, 25. That is what $25 in a week. In a month, with that $100 account, I can still make what? $100 by the close of the month. That is a progress. Having $100 account and making almost like 100% of it in a month. That's a nice progress. So with time, $100 account is still worth it.
Somebody who is using $1,000 account as compared to somebody who is using $100 account. If we all take the same trade, just that person is going to make more money than I will be making because of the variation of losses you'll be using. It's not my business. You having $1,000 account or $10,000 account, and then if your 2% is worth like 3,000 at the end of the month, it's not my business. I don't have that capital. My capital is $100. $100 So if that is my capital, then guess what? If I'm making $5, that is what I can make with my account size. So that is it. So if you are making 3,000 for the month, and me in a month I'm making like $50 in a month, this is my journey, and then my journey is different from yours. So why should I compare my journey to yours? No. I don't have hands on that account size to trade with. Mine is different from yours. So your journey is what? It's different from mine. So why should I be comparing you with account size? You don't actually need a standardized amount of money before you can start trading. And as a beginner, you don't even need to start with real money. Cool, you are now learning the skill and then testing your strategy. Best is for you to go for a demo account. Use demo account to rehearse, train yourself till the time you come to that point you feel like I can now go to live account. And then fund that live account and start trading with it. One thing that will do for you that you can still blow that account, but then what it will add to your life is give you experience, real emotional experience of what? Trading real money. Because as compared to the demo, if it's you blow it, you blew the account, it doesn't touch you in any way because it's not your money. It's a demo.
It's a demo account.
So after testing your strategy for a while with your demo account, shift to live account and then experience the real emotional attachment to your physical money, seeing your money in a drawdown in the market. That's when you begin to build resilience and capacity to handle losses and wins when it comes to your profit journey. So, what do you tell those who are giving excuses for small account for the reason why they are not trading or they can't go into trading?
The main reason why you think that your small account size cannot do you anything in the financial market is due to comparison. You are comparing too much, bro. You are comparing. It's unnecessary. I'm telling you. Comparing your account size to mine, it doesn't make sense. If I can get hold of $50 as an account size, and you can get hold of $20 as your account size, work with what you have. Use what you have. $20 you have, use it. If I have $50, I have to use my what? $50. So work with what you have and use what you have. Very simple.
Work with what you have and use what you have. Capacity varies. If your capacity is not equal to somebody's capacity, remain within your lane and use what you're having now to build momentum to get to where you can now afford the biggest.
Surely.
So you don't have any excuse to say that, oh, I don't have $1,000 to invest, that's why I can't trade. Almost all the brokers, at least
mostly 10, some take 10, some even take 20
and above. So as little as $10, you can still trade. So you don't have an excuse to say that, oh, I don't have money, so that's why I'm not trading. No, you can still trade with that. We did some.
Oh yeah. We began from somewhere.
So let me ask this question quick. What is the least amount you ever grew to a significant amount in your trading career?
I grew $20 to $400 in a week. $20 to $400 in 1 week.
Following a system.
You see, so capital can never be a problem. Without $20 to $400, that is nice. What's capital? Okay, to start with.
Yeah,
nice capital. So I can still start from there. So capital is never an issue. $20 can do something. I'm like to you, $20. Oh, come on, it can do something. Yeah,
but it's all boiled down to the skill.
To the skill.
To the skill again.
To the skill.
Which means that right now, instead of focusing on making money, you should rather focus on learning the market.
Yeah.
Understanding market structure, candle patterns, and candlestick formations, and bring all this together. Don't rush to make profits. You have nothing to prove to anybody. You have nothing to prove to anybody.
You are making money. Who cares?
Who cares?
You are losing. Who cares? Like,
nobody cares.
Do your own thing. Do your own thing. I'm telling you. People have like huge sum of money in their trading account. But I'm telling you, even 3% in a month, they are not making that. So if with you have even $20 in your account, and a day you are able to make even just $1, you are far off. You are better off. You are far off.
Far off in that area.
You are far off. Do you know how it is okay to have $30 in your account and you are making like $2 a day? If $2 a day, a week is what? $10. A month is what? $40 in a month. With just your $30, you are making $40 in a month. That is a nice progress. That is real growth. That is real growth. So you comparing someone with a bigger account size? Oh, come on, it's not worth it, bro. It's not worth it. It's never worth it.
One step at a time, and then you are going to get to that point. Beside the money, what you actually need is discipline. You need risk management. You need emotional control. You need patience in order to turn any amount of money into a significant amount of money.
Yeah, surely.
Once these things are there, it doesn't matter the amount in the account. You can still grow the account.
Yes. And one thing, if you know and you think you have bad habits, I'm begging you,
don't trade.
Don't come into the financial market. If you have a girlfriend or a wife and you are not able to even stick to her or him, I'm begging you, don't come into the financial market because it will ruin you. You have bad habits already. So you better take care of your bad habits before coming into the financial market. Because if you are not disciplined, you are not in control. Okay, emotionally what's intelligent, trust me, the market will ruin you. It will break into pieces. So in this financial market, if you are not well disciplined, trust me,
it's not for you.
It's not for you. So work on your habits. Work on your habits before coming into the financial market. If not, no amount of capital will be okay for you. No amount of capital. If you have tens of dollars, millions of dollars in the account, I'm telling you, if you're having bad habits, it won't work. There's no way it won't work.
Blow the account.
It will get blown. It will get blown.
Wow.
Real quick. So work on your habits before coming into the market. Yeah. Your greed. Yeah, just work on it.
There's a saying that the market actually reveals who you are.
Yeah.
So if you are greedy, the market
if you like hide everything, hide your bad habits, I'm telling you, when it comes to the market, it will bring everything out. All your demons will come out. It will bring everything out. So unless you learn how to tame your own demons, if you don't learn how to tame your own demons, trust me, the market is never for you. It will ruin you. It will ruin you. It will ruin you. So work on your habits. Work on your habits before you come into the financial market. If you have bad habits, drop them. Alcohol, it won't go with it. Smoking won't go with it. Humanizing won't go with it. If you think you are doing all this and you think, oh, I can be smoking, I can be drinking, I can be humanizing, having laughs and here and there, thinking that you can make money in the financial market, you're a liar. It won't work, I'm telling you. With all these bad habits, come into the market. They don't go together. The market is not for people with bad habits.
Okay.
So if you have bad habits, you better drop them before you come. Drop them. Yeah, surely.
So does it mean that most of the people who are into the financial market and are struggling or are not making it, doesn't mean they're into some of these bad habits?
Yes, it can be. So it can be. They have to check their habits. Your bad habits and the market doesn't go together. So if things are not going well, sit down, just reflect. What am I doing wrong?
Yeah.
Which habits am I inviting to my life? Are they helping me?
Yeah.
So check them. If you check them and you think that some things are not right, then it means
You work on them.
you have to work on them.
Yeah.
There's always be like in the morning, okay, you drink alcohol and show up in front of the market and telling me that you're trading, then you're making money. Even the alcohol is even controlling you, because how can you wake up in the morning and drink alcohol? You are being controlled. You have a wife, but then early in the morning you are telling me you want to trade the financial market, but then you tested a small chick somewhere. Oh, hi, how are you doing? Okay, tonight can we meet? But in the morning you have to trade. With that habit, do you think with the market to work? It won't work. You will never be profitable. You will never be profitable. I won't lie to you. And then believe in God. This industry is very tough. You can never do it on your own. Without God in the equation, you can never do it. I'm telling you, you can never. Mark Abraham, you can never. I struggled over the years doing everything on my own.
It didn't work.
Waking up early morning just with the market. No talking to my maker, my God. Everything on my own, thinking I can do it. No. Sometimes in the morning, just wake up. He's your father. He will listen to you. God, a new day. Come. Help me out. Make everything clear. Trust me, he will come. He's your father. Call him, he will answer. He will guide you. Everything is too quick. You can just be there now. You can see the trend easily. God will open your eyes. You see everything clearly. So just involve God. Don't just do things just because you want to make money. Giddy. No. Involve God.
The church will start making sense to you.
Yeah, it makes sense to you.
So don't just rely on your own strength, but also learn to involve God in your trading career. And that is going to make the journey more easier and simple for you. But that we are not also...
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm not saying that you don't do the work and just pray to God.
That's where I want to come in now.
And then God will be like, buy, sell. No. You have to do the work. You have to learn, study. Do the hard work. Do the physical work. And the spiritual work, God will take off it. But the real work, you have to do everything. You know the trend, where it's going, the price action, everything. You have to know. Before God can do the behind the scene.
Exactly.
But then without your hard work, you cannot be praying all the time and be like, God, God, should I buy? Oh, okay, buy. Then you buy. God, should I sell? Oh, okay, sell. Then you sell.
If it is easy like that, like, I don't think anybody will be...
Do you get it?
Don't just rely or pray, but also put in the work by learning, practicing till you get the edge in the market. What God can do for you is to give you clarity to what the market is doing. There are certain nitty-gritties in price action movement that by yourself you could not capture it, but one time God can just open your eyes and you see a certain pattern of movement in the market, and that becomes a clarity to you. And that will start helping you to make profit in the market. Now, you also made clear to us that bad habits will never make you a profitable trader. So, if you want to be profitable in your career, whether it doesn't matter the amount of money. If you have a bad habit, so first you have a bad habit, you are going to lose that money. But if you work on your habits and you tame your demons before you step in the market, you can turn any amount into a significant amount of money that will still make you a profitable trader. We would like to draw the curtain here on this topic. What is your final words to those who are having financial challenges? Are there ways by which they can be able to raise money and then fund the account and trade?
Okay, with the raising of the money, assuming you don't have anything to start with, the best thing you have to do is to get a job. For the meantime, get some funds and fund your accounts and take things slowly from there. But then if you have someone that can give you money, not loan, maybe a family, maybe your dad that can give you money, that is fine. But then if you don't have any source of income, the best thing you have to do is to get a job. And then on the job, still be working on the job and still be learning the financial market. And then with time, start with real funds. Then be doing it small. When you see an edge in the financial market, thinking that when you focus fully, things will play out. Then guess what? You can just leave your job and still focus on your Forex. But for the meantime, without any funds, I will advise you to get a job. get funds from there and start with the trading.
All right. So before we go, can you tell us something about leverage in regards to capital? How does leverage help in boosting your capital for trading?
So with the leverage, for example, assuming I have $30 in my trading account, that $30 can never do anything in the financial market without leverage. So for example, if I choose a leverage of 1:500, then it means that, okay, every dollar in my account is equivalent to $500. So with the $30 in my trading account, so $30, if I choose 1:500, it means $30 times 500 is what? 15,000. Then it means that even though with the $30 in my account, I am controlling 15,000 in the financial market. Not just $30, but the 15,000. So that 15,000 is what is allowing me, okay, to work to trade in the financial market. So without the leverage, there's no way that $30 can trade on the financial market. So the leverage is important. Even that money isn't your money.
Yeah.
It is the broker's money allowing you to trade on the financial market.
Yeah.
So without that, there's no way you can trade on the
financial market.
But that money cannot be withdrawn, but it will help you trade the financial market.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's well understood.
Right.
And I believe that in time we will dive into this topic on leverage and explain some of these things better for our listeners to get more information on this.
Right, sure.
Thank you for coming.
All right.
And happy to have you on the podcast once again.
All right. Thank you too.
God bless you.
Amen.
So, amen. So, in conclusion, you don't actually need a specific amount of money in order to become a trader. Good capital or huge capital gives you higher advantage to make big money in the market. Small capital also gives you advantage to make money in the market, just that the profit differences will vary because of the amount of capital you are using. But at the end of the day, a profitable trader is not determined by the amount of money you invest as your capital. You can still invest any amount. Once you have the edge, you can grow it to any significant amount of money. So start from where you are with your capacity, and in the long run, you can scale up and be controlling huge money in the Forex market. So we come your way next time. This is the Global Forex Movement. Like, subscribe, and comment. Click on that little notification box so that the next time we drop a video, you will be informed so that you will not miss out on any of our videos. And we are also inviting the community of traders. Let's come together, push this agenda so that as many as possible can be reached out to, because the goal is that at the end of the day, every household should have at least one profitable trader. And to the professionals in the field who want to join or help this move to fulfill this agenda, we welcome you on board. Come and share your ideas, guide us, teach us, educate us, so that we all learn from your experiences, so that at the end of the day, we can all have that edge in the Forex market. God bless you all.